Check out my perfect lines in the lawn I mowed yesterday. Pretty cool. I use GPS coordinates to do this. Just kidding. I eyeball it. Not too bad. Not too bad. I am headed to an abandoned zoo in Cisco. It's a nature trail that goes around a 100-year-old zoo. So I think that's going to be pretty fun today. Today's video is going to be shot on the GoPro Hero 10. So it's good to get back on this thing. It's been a while. It's been about a year or so. We're at a rest stop. I've already used the restroom facilities. I just thought I'd come back, grab my GoPro. Look at this sky. What a beautiful day today. Sorry, it's wind noise. There we go. We're going to mono audio, not stereo, because of the wind. So I've got it on wind reduction. Hey, watch out for snakes. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad with the wind reduction on. I can't just enjoy making videos. I always got to critique my own stuff, like my ISO settings or my noise canceling or my white balance. I am shooting in 4K 24 frames per second in a linear mode. But hey, look at this. Got a little bit of elevation here. I think we're just outside of Ranger, maybe. Ranger danger. They got these pretty cool little picnic areas here. It's just a rest stop, but it's silly. I thought I'd give you a tour. These batteries supposed to be pretty good. I've been recording for, I don't know, 2 minutes and I'm down to like 90% already. So luckily I've got a battery pack for it, so when we do our actual hiking, I'll be able to keep her going. Breathing back there. And Preston's running around here somewhere. Of course, I can't not show the inside of this place. It's pretty cool. Right, here we go. A lot of the old memorabilia here from Route 66 in the olden days. Some Texaco. Old gravity pump, but it's not a... Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. Check out this vehicle. I'm shooting linear, which is wide but not as much compression on it, if that makes any sense. So it's not ultra wide, but it's not standard, so I don't know. You can even have a seat in here. You can get a little plug so you can charge your phone or your GoPro in this case. But I don't know if you can see me in the reflection or not. Yeah, pretty cool stuff here. Here's where I live, and here's where I'm at. And we are going to Cisco, which I don't know where it's at on the map here. If you see it before I do, then you know. A couple weeks ago, well, Easter weekend, we went to Marfa. Yeah, where is, oh, Cisco. Oh, here's where we're at. Here's Cisco. We're just right there. Cool. There's a little bit of backlight.
Big ass Whoppers. With Cool Ranch Doritos.
Oh yeah. There's Preston getting some. He's probably getting what do you call it?
Don't record me.
Oh, you're fine. All right, hitting the road again. We're just a few minutes away, I guess. So.
One time I took the chocolate bar. Some shit. And I was like 2. Not even like 2.
We'll be there soon.
It'll be like 3 or 4.
This is downtown Cisco. In case you've never been to downtown Cisco, which I never have, so this is the first for me. Oh, it's almost like where they shot Back to the Future, but it's not. The GoPro doesn't pick it up that great because of the wide angle. But check this out. The mural out here. Welcome to Cisco. Dentist. I don't know if I'd want to go to that dentist or not. Of course, I don't really like going to any dentist. That's pretty cool. Check out these old buildings. There's City Hall. Prosperity Bank. But that building's haunted. Oh boy. And if you blinked, you missed it. That was Cisco. We made it. Kids are getting their sun block on.
I got my hand like this on. It's all vision.
Here we are at the Cisco Abandoned Zoo Nature Trail. Old Zoo Nature Trail. Oh, there's a trailhead. I thought it was going to go this way. That's cool. Alright, a lot of wind noise. Sorry about that. Alright, starting my all trails. Start now. Alright. Here we are. The Old Zoo Nature Trails, which goes through an abandoned zoo here in Cisco, Texas. As I try not to get ran over by people and oh my god. Here we are. Right. Check it out. There's a tree with all kinds of decorations and stuff on it. Seems like we've seen a tree like this somewhere before. Or maybe it was a YouTube video I saw. I don't know. It's pretty neat. And then they got some toys down there. Here we go. It's kind of sort of paved, maybe. If I could show you. It's gravel. Looks like it was paved at one time, but it's all broken up now. I don't know. And then I get to this part and it's dirt and gravel. So maybe I was wrong, but you can see there might have been a road here at one time.
Oh, it stinks.
So this part was paved. Kind of broken up here. Got some cactus, like the other trail we do over Eagle Mountain Lake. Got to pay attention because these are some pretty good tripping hazards. But yeah, look at this cactus on the hill. That's pretty cool. It's good to be ahead of Braden on the trail because he's kind of gassy today. You stay behind us, Braden. Zoo. Let's go to the zoo.
Yes, please.
All right, cool. Oh yeah, I remember why I hate this GoPro. It froze up on me and I thought I was recording stuff and it wasn't. So I had to pull the battery to reset it because it wouldn't turn off, wouldn't record. And I've got the latest firmware. Oh, cool.
Up there where I think the monkeys were.
Picture by the pond.
I want to see the monkeys. I want to see the monkeys. Oh yeah, there's a monkey right there. Braden the monkey.
I'm ready to go.
We got into this area, which is not hard because there's a big gaping open hole right there. We're just trying to figure out what animals used to be in here.
Shut your mouth.
You never know.
Where?
What did you find?
Can you get down that way?
What do you find?
It's not a snake, but it's a salamander.
It's
Oh.
It's steep over here.
Oh,
It's rough terrain.
okay.
Yeah,
Rough
yeah.
terrain. That's why I didn't wear my Birkenstocks. I actually wore my Hokas today.
And then down one. Got it.
Dude, this GoPro is not stable whatsoever. I keep having to pull the battery to get it to work. Probably why it was hidden in the garage or the wherever it was forever.
Gorillas don't usually.
Hey, it's more stairs. Just what I love. That's okay though. I'm getting my steps in. There's the park boundary line. Can't go past this section. That's too bad because there's a structure right there I'd like to go see. Very tempting. But I'm a law-abiding citizen. Alright, and cut. Alright guys, stepping over. I'm gonna go check this out. I'm not gonna record it though. I was hoping those people would pass me because they're kind of loud. Well, that's alright though. It's not overly crowded here, but there's more people here than I thought there would be. Some solitude right here. Exactly this spot. Right here. Oh, I like the other hand too.
More where the animals.
Anything's a trail if you're brave enough.
Don't touch any leaves.
Well, earlier Dad put all them leaves in my face.
Not on purpose. Leaves of 3, let it be. These are not poisonous.
Well, the ones that I walked into that you hit in my face were the brown and red ones.
This is all there is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think we can.
If I die, I die, yo.
Heading back.
Let's go to the car now.
Heading back now.
Alright, that was the whole thing.
This is how I die.
This is how.
This is how I die.
It's because of the gravel.
This will be found footage.
This is because of the gravel. It's making it slippery.
They had a cable here. I wonder if that was for, yeah, hold on to. I don't know. Anyway, if you see me on Channel 5 with found footage, you know what happened to me.
That was Preston's goat.
Alright, Channel 8 then.
I did it.
That was
I
Preston's
know.
goat as well.
I don't know if the camera picked up how steep this is, but it's not.
Put your camera on
No, I can't. Alright, I'll put my camera down. There we go. It just
got
looks
this
steeper
right
from
in.
up there than it is.
Huh?
It just looks steeper
Good job.
than it actually is. Alright, we're back to the main trail.
Oh god.
And Preston went to the Preston went to the car. There's a dam right there, so that must be the lake.
Damn.
Gotta go up this way to see if I can see the lake. Look at the prickly pear. That is pretty. It's got a blossom, a reddish orange one and a yellow one on that cactus. That's pretty. Don't see that every day.
So pretty. There's another one.
Not where I live anyway. The only cactus I know of in Watauga is in the old parking lot of the Taco Casa. Yes, I found it. The bridge, Cisco, Lake Cisco Bridge, built in 1927. And then here's the lake. See if I can get a good view for you guys. I know with the GoPro it doesn't really pick it up that well. Let me see if I can get a better view. But yeah, here's the bridge. Wow, that's pretty scary. I saw some flying around earlier. There's a family doing some metal detecting. An old structure. I thought it was bigger than that, so. Into the thick of it. And this is, oh, there's stairs. I don't know how,
Because we're out in the wilderness.
You want to go down to the lake?
Yep.
You can rest your weary bones on a little bench there. My bones aren't weary yet, so I'm good. Pretty neat to see different rock formations here. We just saw a really cool lizard. It was like half brown and half vibrant green. I could have got him on the GoPro, but since it's such a wide angle, you would have not have seen it. And when I was getting my camera out, he was super fast, super skittish, so he took off. So now we're at a dead end, gonna head back. Got a little over a mile in now, so and I reached the end of the trail in private. That's pretty neat because there's a pretty good bushel, I guess you would call it, of cactus, a grouping, a symphony of cactus. A gaggle? I don't know what that is. Cacti. Alright, about a quarter of a mile back to the car. And I'm gonna head out of here. It is chimichanga time. I know, I say it wrong. I know it's chimichanga, but I'm in Texas. It's a chimichanga. Alright, well, we are back. Wasn't too bad of a walk, 1.4 miles. Did it in 1 hour 17 minutes. We weren't really hauling ass, we were just kind of looking at stuff and stopping to take pictures and then climbing up and down things and enjoying the lake. Oh. Alright, off to Allsup's. Alright, you know what time that is. Chimichanga time, or as they say here in Texas, chimichanga. Cool, thank you. I'm gonna get a drink.
Okay.
Excuse me. Alright. Drink time. I don't know what I want. Not that. Alright, things all up. I got my chimichanga and a beef and bean burrito. And some hot sauce. The chicken one with Hatch green chili was pretty good. I'd probably get that one again. Taco sauce was pretty good too. Not too bad. I cannot wait for H Mart to open. Alright, we are close to being back home. That was a amazing trip to the abandoned zoo. I really liked that little day trip. And got to have some chimichangas in the process there, so back home. I don't know the mileage because I normally run the GPS, but I kind of figured out where it was, and it wasn't too bad.